um, from misconceptions to tips on how to select and introduce new types of grass to your rabbits to ensure a good balanced diet. In fact, not all grass is good for rabbits. It is obvious that rabbits are herbivorous animals, and for that matter, they munch on so many types of grasses. All right, but some grasses are bad and even harmful to their health. And at the same time, we also have the good um, ones, because when rabbits are in the cage, anything that is given to them, they eat it or they chew it. That does not mean that everything is good for them. It's important to always learn more about whatever we feed our rabbits with, because when you are not careful, you are simply going to condemn the intestines of your rabbit, just as the way the condemned herbicide will do to a grass field. Quickly, not all grass that is good for our rabbits. So one may ask, then which one is good for my rabbits? Please, I will encourage you to watch this video throughout in order to save yourself from giving anything that is not good to your rabbits. So quickly, let's look at the type of grass that is not good for our rabbit. First of all, tomato leaves, watermelon leaves, okra, they are not good for rabbits, all right? Because the starch in them is so high, and that may cause stomach upset. They are not good to the digestive system of rabbits, all right? Um, Quite apart from that, um, there are some areas, all right, especially at the back of factories where they discharge waste. Though the grass may look very fresh in such areas, even if it is dandelion or milky leaves, please. Even if elephant grass or guinea grass is grown at such areas, it is not good for rabbits. Grass like lily is not good for rabbits. Not only that, viewers, when you take mango, the mango plant for instance, rabbits, the mango the mango leaves is good for their consumption, all right, but then the mango fruit is not good for rabbits, right? The same thing when you take banana leaves, banana or plantain leaves is good for their digestive system. But then the banana fruit or the plantain fruit is not good for rabbits. If it comes to what is good for rabbits, when it comes to plant or grass, now we try to put them into category, all right? There are some plants, the fruit is good for the rabbit, but the leaves may not be good for the rabbit. For example, tomatoes, the fruit is good for rabbits, but the leaf is not good for rabbits. The same thing happens to watermelon, right? Watermelon too, the fruit is good for rabbits, but the leaves is not good for rabbits, all right? And then the leguminous crops, something like groundnut. Any part of the groundnut plant is good for rabbits, including its seeds, the husk, everything about the plant is good for rabbits. When you take something like cassava, okay, the cassava leaves is good for the rabbits, as well as the stem and that of the tuber. All right, these things are good for rabbit. When it comes to dandelion, guinea grass, the milky grass, and rice straw or the rice plant itself, okay, and then sorghum leaves, and then all these ones are good for rabbit consumption. Remember to always introduce new grass gradually, okay, to your rabbits to avoid stomach upset. Don't also forget to provide them a lot of water, okay, to prevent dehydration and also to ease digestion, especially when you are feeding them a lot of hay, the dry grass, they will need more water, right? And then don't also fail to um, watch out for symptoms of diarrhea and other health complications in your rabbit farm. And then as soon as you notice any abnormalities in your farm, don't forget to call the vet to have a checkup in your farm and help put things in order. All right. Um, so viewers, we hope this video is very informative to you. So don't forget to smash the subscription button and leave a comment down here. We will surely get back to you. Remember, hay is good for rabbits as compared to the fresh grass. So viewers, hay and then other leguminous husks like groundnut husks and then beans husks is very good to the health of our rabbits as compared to the fresh grass.